Introducing the Mini Raindrops Stencil from My Favorite Things. The Mini Raindrops Stencil features a collection of mini raindrops in a grid formation on a 6x6 inch stencil. This stencil can be used with a variety of mediums to create raindrops on your card designs, including embossing paste, inks, and paints. The grid formation on this stencil is sized to fit within the confines of an A2 size vertical card when masking off some of the outside rows. Thank you for joining us for a quick look at the Mini Raindrop Stencil from My Favorite Things.